Ciao a tutti! How about you make your New Year's resolution to speak Italian? My New Year's resolution is to shoot 100 videos for this channel. As for you, I got a great tool to help you with my videos and my free course in the playlist Learn Italian in 30 Days. Marina and I created this workbook which will help you cement all the information, as my baby daughter is agreeing right now, right? Yeah, she's right there.
Speak Italian!
Speak Italian, speak Italian. She'll be speaking Italian soon. Anyway, I got this great tool for you. You can either get the digital version of it, you can download it. I'll put all the links in the description or up in the cards. Or you can even get the paper version, available only in some countries, but you check it out. This will help you cement all the information. It will make the course easier, more fun, and I'm pretty sure that you follow thoroughly all the instructions, the exercises and everything. You'll be speaking Italian way better than you think. See you very soon in my next 100 videos this year. Ciao!